This washer machine can more. This is a heavy duty one, and that is the model number here. One part number. This one has a problem with dumping the water. Maybe the filter is blocked or something. We're gonna open the back cover and to take a look and see if we can clean or replace the filter. There are screws here, all the back here, all of them must be removed. We're gonna remove this also. One more screw here, and this is off. We're gonna remove this hose, dumping hose here, this one. Another one screw. Then this one you need to push this thing in and then out. One more in the bottom. Okay, so this is the motor here for dumping thing, and see the filter. So we'll check the motor here if it's working or not, because for some reason it's not dumping water. It's upside down so we can have access. I'm gonna remove this hose. Take a look. This is not blocked, it's okay. And this one, it does not look like block. You can see the fan is clean. This is the motor. That's the dumping water motor. Maybe this one is burned or it's not working or bad. So because it's not plugged, I don't see anything clogged. Everything is clean here. Maybe the motor which is clogged or something. So check all those. Okay, now the machine is empty. This is where the water dumping from here, and I can see the air coming, so the motor spins nice and easy, no problem. So that tells me the dumping water is working. It's not burning. It's not because I can see the air is coming nice and easy. This is spinning. Just put it on spin, drain and spin only. As soon as you open this, yeah, this is it's locked, so it's not like other machine you can open the door. This one, it's locked. The fan is spinning. Turn off. Okay, so far there's no clog on the pipe here, and the fan is spinning, the motor is working, and so still not dumping sometimes though, because maybe the problem is with the motherboard programmed, maybe because this machine is old, and maybe the electrical the motherboard program, the ECU, or they call it like a little computer to program it when dumping and everything. Maybe it's has a shortage or something wrong with it. That cannot takes we have to open this everything here to access the motherboard and all the electronic component to check them, which is not worth it at all. And that's why the washer machines have also like specific age. After that they start not working well or so, because age issue. Okay, so it's working now, but we'll test it with water and see if because you see the clothes is still wet here, and but it's spinning good, jumping, everything is good. Let's test it now with water. Okay, so now we just put it clothes, we hook up the one of the hot, doesn't matter hot or cold, and now we're gonna rinse it and spin it and see if everything works fine. This is a rinse and spin here. That's a drain and spin. That's a rinse. Hot. Now it's spinning slowly to level everything up. Okay, so now you can see the water level is here. Okay, and now it's gonna, we made it on express so we can see what's going on. See, just have to watch everything. This is the express one means extra large. So basically this type of machine, the dump water works by gravity. So if you leave this one on the ground, that hose will simply drain all the water, and that's why this one must be left exact level at this here, you see, same level, and then the motor push the water out when it's time to drain, spin and drain and everything. I'll just wait until everything finished, and then when it's time to drain, spin and drain and everything, we'll see if it's gonna work or not. But it takes about a few minutes more. So because the machine is not level and this cover has to be on extra support, that's why it was making a lot of noise. So I shut it off for safety, won't damage anything. Now we're just gonna put the cover back, put it back, level it and spin it, and that's it. So this machine has no filter on it, and that's the way. Just I checked the drain, everything is working. And thank you so much for watching. All the best and hope to see you next time.